Akin, Gutierrez, akin.
Last 1 minute.
Okay, let's go.
Villegas. Paso. Pateo. Yes!
First possession to go to goal.
3 points. Malalay. Dribble the ball. Jersey number 6. Pass to Biag. Pinas ulit by 25. Pass to Biag. Last 30 seconds. No good. Na ulit.
Number 7.
Mateo. Ayan na. Del Mateo. Dribble the ball. Biglang buo.
Number 17, wala.
Na ulit jersey number 13. 2 points yan. By jersey number 13. Last 15 seconds. 10 seconds.
Ito na si Gutierrez.
8 seconds. Jersey number 2. Pass
Ito
to jersey number
to.
6. Pinasalit by jersey number 18. 2 points. Diyan nagtatapos ang ating first quarter.
Traveling violation.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Ito na si number 17 to number 13. Number 17, Wale. Two points.
Jersey number 23. Pinasa sa ilalim by jersey number 7. Pass to 23. Pass to 23 again. Coroco. Grabe. Wala ka lang.
Number 26.
Ayun naman. Mr.
Ito number 17, wala.
80. Grabe naman si Del Mateo. Parang Ad Mateo lang. Suwabe-suwabe ang galawan. Ay, score natin 50-20. 5 na lang. Nakakuha ni Coroco.
Ito na si number 2. Ito number 7. 4. Score 2-2. Ito na si number 13. Datuon, wala. Nawagay number 14. There's a foul, first number 26. First personal foul, first team foul.
Para talaga si Ad Mateo to.
First high school.
Yan, paalala sa mga gusto sumali dyan na 5'8 pababa with 2 reinforcement by 5'9 pataas. Yan.
2 points.
May pag-communicate na sa Commissioner Ray Marlon and Nover. Yun. Commissioner Nover din. Grabe naman. Dose kanina. At
Nawagay number 24.
grabe si Del Mateo.
10 seconds to shoot.
Jersey number 16. Pass to Oromo. Pass to Denso. Denso. Pass to Buratil. 14 seconds shoot. Pass to jersey number 23. No good. Nakuha jersey
Foul,
number 16.
basket yan.
Pass ulit by Denso. 10 seconds shoot. Denso. No good. Save ball tayo. Grabe mga veterano.
Wala yan.
Pinasa kay Denso. 12 seconds shoot. Pass to Denso. Pass to Buratil. Buratil.
Number 7 wala. Nawagay number 24. Wala pa rin. Ito na si number 26.
Dribble the ball. Pass to jersey number 13. Jersey number 13. Pass to Young.
To number 21. To number 13. 2 points.
Borotil.
8-4.
Pass to 23. No good. Nakakuha by Mr. Ponce. Ponce ba yun? Sino ba yun? Hindi si Ponce yun eh. So, wala, sorry. Nakalimutin si Ponce. Nandun si Ponce.
Number 24, 2 points.
Jersey number 13, sorry. Yap, Daddy Yap, umikot-ikot, and one! May kasama foul!
Number 17, wala.
Substitution. Who's Parrot, brother? 23. Second personal foul. Second team foul. First lap pala. Second team foul lang tayo. Wala.
2 points. Time out!
Jersey number 17.
Pickle is 1. Score 8-all.
Pass to Pinkoy. Pinkoy, inatayan dalawa. Wala. Nakakuha yung by Dixon. Ayan na nagmamali si Dixon. Dixon, pass to Delmo tayo. Pinasa pa kay Dixon. 2 points yan. By Dixon. Grabe naman pasahan nun.
Back to the ball
Grabe
game.
yun, mga kabataan. Parang Garhood Hospital Connection. Grabe naman yun. Pinasa ulit. By Mr. Bortil. Pass to Pinkoy. Yun lang. Natapos sa baw. Substitution. Boricat in. Ponce in. Yun. Ito na pala kasi Ponce. Yung kanina, iba pala Ponce yun.
Ito na si number 17.
Isa lang naman.
10 seconds to shoot. Datu.
Jersey number 13. 10 seconds. Wait lang. Official mo na. Stop mo na yung oras. Right lang. Usap mo na yun.
Foul jersey number 26. Second personal foul. Second team foul.
Bola lang. Team Cebuano.
Yusef, 1 water. Blue team.
Down by jersey number 4. Ponce.
Yusef, water.
Jersey 17. Pass to jersey number 19. 2 points by Boricat.
Wala yung rebound by number 14. Traveling violation.
17 seconds. Pass to jersey number 8. Grabe! Wala nga lang nakakuha ni Ponce. Ponce, pass to Denso. Pinasa ulit by Mr. Pinkoy.
Ito na si number 08. Number 02, wala. Number 14, wala. Number 14 pa rin, 2 points. Change favor tayo, 10-8.
24, jersey number 17, dribble the ball, pass to jersey number 4, no good.
Number 17, number 26.
2 points by Mr. Borotil.
Number 27 ngayon, 10 seconds to shoot. Number 26, wala.
Substitution. Pasok. 27, 20.
Foul goes to number 14.
Cebuanos pa rin. Ang lamang natin.
Second personal foul, second team.
Pass to Dixon. Dixon. Pass to jersey number 13. Pinasa ulit by Castillo. Castillo. Pinasa ulit Dixon. 2 points yan.
Batun, wala.
Grabe naman yun.
Wala na tayong shot clock, game clock na lang. 15 seconds. 10 seconds.
Technical yata tayo dyan.
5 seconds. Pasok yan. That's the end of our first quarter score. Parehas na parehas. 10-10. Yeah, second 5 tayo. Second 5. Pasok.
Kaya muna eh.
Number 10. Wala.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Ito na si number 5 to number 30.
Jersey number 17. Big
Basket
boy.
yan.
Pass 2.
Sino pa ulit? Number 24.
Nakakuha ni jersey number 6. Pass to
First personal foul,
77.
first team foul.
77. Pass 2. Mr. Dixon. Dixon. Dribble the ball. Pass to Castro. Castro. Pass to jersey number 8. Jersey number 8. Wala.
Ito na si number 10.
Jersey number 17.
To number 20.
Kickball tayo.
To number 30 reverse. Wala.
Jersey number 77. Pass to Coach G. Coach G. Pass to jersey number 6. Pinasa kay 77. Pinasa
Same
sa
ball tayo.
Pass to Dixon.
Ay, shuttle. Aray ko. Wala kaya?
Jersey number 2.
Wala.
Jersey
Number
number
17.
2. Pass to Mr. Dixon. No good.
Ito na si number
Sige
17.
no, sana all.
To number 23.
Pass to jersey
Dalawa kayo.
17.
Wow.
Nakakuha na by Castro.
Pass break to number 71. Last touch count.
Kaya shoutout muna sa Team Saints. Jersey number 2. Pass to 77. Pinasa kay jersey number 2. Pass to Astro. Pass to Coach G. Wala ka lang. Nakakuli po rin ka.
Ito na si number 17.
Wala na yan.
Champion na lagi yan sa Karaman. Vamos na tayo. 71. Referee kasi semi-finals yan eh.
Oo.
Pag kami mamaya hindi pwedeng...
Kanina pa ang mga yan.
Yan. Pag semi-finals dapat anong referee.
Number 20.
Ay grabe yung pare ko.
Number 24. Wala.
Ayun lang.
Wala ka.
Wala by Castro.
Ito na si number 17. To number 30 drives, but there's a foul. Jersey number 24. Second personal foul. Second team
Mr.
foul.
Castro. Pass to Coach G. 10 seconds to shoot. Nakakuha na jersey number 2. 5 seconds to shoot. Coach G.
10 seconds to shoot.
Nakakuha na jersey number 18. Pass to
Bautista wala. Naman by number 24.
Puta ina, tinalo namin sila yun. May kagabi,
Aray.
hindi na kami.
Wala.
Mr.
Hindi na kami kagabi. Tinalo namin sila. 12.
Bitcoy.
Number 30 wala.
Ha? Wala.
5 seconds to shoot. Pass to Burikat.
Ito na si number 20. To number
Meron
10.
lang isa-isang dumating. 6 lang pala kami.
Number 10 for 3.
Kaya
points.
may dansa na kaming pumasok.
Score, 15-13.
Tatanungin pa namin ang mga yun next week. Yung sinapos
Di ba kayo maglalaban nila, Joko?
Oo, kami next week.
Jersey number 6, Malalay.
Sino foul? Number 20. Number 20.
Hindi yan.
Nagkakalambihan lang. Sige, go! Manda ng oras. Focus tayo.
May mga edad na kayo. Alam niyo na yung ginagawa niyo.
Number 10. To number 23. Walang. Number 17. Wala pa rin. Okay, let's go. Ito na si Halang. Halang. To number 8. 2 points. 17-13. Ito na si number 23. Number 23. There's a foul, jersey number 30. First personal foul, first team foul. Second try, wala. Number 20, wala pa rin. Sa kanya pa rin. Number 20, fade away to number 23. But there's a foul, jersey number 71. First personal foul, second team foul. First try is good. 17-14. Tingnan natin ang pangalawa. Number 23. Time out! Tikoy squad. Score 17-15. 2-point lead by Tikoy. One minute and 33 seconds. Number 5, wali. Ito na si number 20. Number 20, nagmamaylo po si number 20. Tatlo na bumabantay. Ito na si number 17. Number 17 drives to number 23. Wali, rebound by number 20. Pass break to number 5. Nice pass to number 71. 2 points. Time out! Sergeant Pepper. Back to the ball game. Number 10. Seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Good yan. Pasok for points. 19-17.
Okay.
Number 30.
Jersey number 6, Malalay.
10 seconds remaining time. Pakipulot ang bola.
Jersey number 2, Coach G. Out of the court.
Oh, wala na.
Free throw.
Wala nang oras.
Team Cebuano. Dalawang tira. Jersey number 14. Pinasais Castro. Yun lang. Wala. Sayang. Jersey number 15. Jersey number 23. Denso. Pass to jersey number 14. Jersey number 23. Pass to Biag. Pass to 23. 23. Pass to Mr. 5 seconds shoot. Denso. No good. Jersey number 14.
1, 2, 3. Oh, anim sila rito.
Jersey number 14, dribble the ball. Pinasa sa ilalim ba jersey number 2. Biglang pumukol. No good. Now jersey number 13. Jersey number 13.
Okay na.
Pass 2. Jersey number 14. 8 seconds to shoot. Last 6 seconds to shoot. 6 seconds to shoot. Walang foul. Yun pa lang, may foul. Jersey number 14. Si Anton. Pinasa ngayon by jersey number 18. Neil Mateo to jersey number 14. 10 seconds to shoot. 2 balls by jersey number 14.
Number 17. Wala yung naman by Coach G. Ito na sa number 6, Bautista. To number 28, Ahala. But there's a foul. Jersey number 17. First personal foul, first of jersey number 17. First try score, 22-17. Second try was off, 23-17.
Manos, bago tayo mag-start, wait lang rep. Yung ating balance muna bago pumasok ang third quarter. Wait lang po, bago tayo mag-start. Cebuanos, payment muna natin.
Up. Ano yan na? Traveling?
Manager daw. Si Denso pala.
Still by number 33.
Third quarter na tayo.
Ito na si number 33, tumira ng 3.
Payment, bayad ng SPR. Payment muna po tayo. Kasi semifinals na po ito. Dahil next week ay championship, sana iintindihan nyo sabing mga
10 seconds to shoot. Ito na si number 02. Hands po tayo, sabi ni coach. Foul jersey number 28, halang. First try, no good. Tingnan natin ang pangalawa. Wala eh. Same ball tayo.
Okay, sige, sa third down, kinukumpleto na. Good luck po, good luck. Score
Babaling tayo.
27. Bola ng SPR, third quarter. Let's go. Dahil pa tayo. Pass to jersey number 14.
Ito na si number 11. Wala eh. Rebound by number
Number 7, Sueco. First
Number 02.
first team foul. 14 seconds to shoot.
basement pass by coach to number 11.
Seconds to shoot.
2 points.
Nakagawa na.
25-17.
Taking the ball. Inaharas ni jersey number 14. Backcourt violation. Pumasok ng katawan.
Ito na si number 02. Atlas kayo ng konti mga bossing. Salamat. Wala eh.
Okay, nice D para sa SBR. Jersey number
Alam, drives. 2 points.
Bossing!
27-17.
Balita, may laro kayo yan? May laro kayo yan?
The rebound.
Hindi ako pwede, tama ako. Nanood lang ako.
Jersey number 17.
Number 10.
Tama saan?
Nagal Morales ako.
The ball.
Ayun lang.
Patoy sa foul. Jersey number
seconds to shoot.
15.
Bihag. 10 seconds to shoot. 8.
Time out! Team Sergeant Dever.
Yung ano sana kanina po di ba sana pumunta?
Bakit?
Ang ganda ng laban. Nag-overtime.
Sino?
Yung Radicals saka yung
14 seconds to shoot.
Eagles.
Bihag.
Pwede na po bumalik. Pwede na sumabot.
Lamang nag-12 yung ano Radicals. Tapos pinapot pa nila.
Dorotil, big range
Nag-overtime pa.
jumper. No good.
Pareho sa likod.
Pass break nil pa tayo. Napakabilis.
Ba't ano nangyari? Tumigil sila.
Back to the ball game.
Pareho sa likod. Pareho sa likod. Saglit lang.
Bawi ulit.
Nagpapalam lang ako sa misis ko.
Hindi ako pwede dyan. Hindi ako sanay niya.
Ha?
Hindi ako sanay niya.
Jersey number 17, no good.
Ha?
Alimbangan.
Rebound.
Sa'yo, makikulit lang ako sa saglit pa ako.
Ay, ala ang ano. Data, paubos na.
Jersey number
Pag na-shoot, may advance sub tayo. Pag na-shoot, score 27-18. Pag na-shoot, may sub tayo.
dribbling the ball. Sa ilalim, medyo mataas ang pasa. Pero nakawork.
Foul jersey number 2, sub tayo.
Bigoy.
First personal foul, 13-5. Tigoy-tigoy.
Good luck sa Rodeson ha.
Dribbling ball. Bihag. Pigs.
Sinong matalo doon laglag?
Bihag. Kick out palabas.
First nice move.
Kung manalo kayo, 1-2
Pigs
tayo.
again. Bihag. Nilapit ang konti. Nalaglag. 8
Kaya nga,
seconds to shoot.
may panalo na kami.
Jump ball. Ang tawag direct.
Oh.
Second try is good.
Kaya nga,
Score 27-20.
5 seconds.
kaya okay lang naman.
Passer maririnig.
Ito na si
Nice one. Tumabot pa.
number 17, please. Jump shot. 2 points.
Score natin 33.
By number 17.
Jersey number 14. Dumayan ba tayo? 4-3. Quick release. So good. Jersey number 6.
Ito na si number 14.
Agawan. Nakuha ni jersey number ni Bihag Labores.
Rebound by number 11 to Coach Lee.
Number 14. Jersey number 14.
Number 17, foul. Tinaga. 1 in 4 penalty to Pikoy-Pikoy. 1 in 4 penalty. 14 seconds shot clock. 14 seconds to shoot.
First drop.
Bang, bang.
Number 03.
8 minutes and 12 seconds, third quarter.
10 seconds to shoot.
Ha?
Isa sila lakay.
Yes, sir.
Wala
What's
tayong
up?
Wala silang laro?
29 ang ating score. Jersey number 18. Number 14. Loredo. Nagana papasahan.
Number 17, 2 points.
No good
31-20.
Baratil ngayon. Nice pass. Labores. Fakes. No good. Napunta kay Bihag. Wala pa rin. Kay Bihag pa rin.
Number 24, 2 points.
Nice pass. Good for two. Unselfish play. Timeout. SBR. This timeout is brought to you by Saan Tailoring, JDCS.
Wala. Ay, wala number 11. Ito na si number 11.
Real gold and negosyo.
To the 2 points.
And basketball gears.
33-22.
36-29.
Number 03. Wale. Ibang by number 14. There's a foul. There's si number
Okay, back to the ball
15.
game.
Penalty tayo. Penalty.
Back to the ball game. Okay, receive. Castro. Castro, jersey number 77 to Dixon. Loredo. 12 seconds to shoot. There's a foul. Doratil number 10. That is your second personal foul. Second team foul. Castillo. Ay, yung traveling. Substitution. Borotil out. Borica in. 6 minutes, 35 seconds. Time and substitution. Sige,
2
tawag.
points.
Sub.
35-23.
Okay, let's go.
Wala tayo shot clock. Game clock na lang tayo.
Bitcoin ngayon. Jersey number 17.
To number 24. 2 points.
Boy dribbling the ball.
25-35.
14
5 seconds.
Rans. Burikat. To Pinkoy. 10 seconds.
Basket yan.
Bihag. Mid-range jumper. No good. That's at the 14. Pero nakakuha na. Ang SBR.
That's the end of our third quarter score. 37-25.
Fakes. Good for two by Dixon. 36-31 ang ating score. 5-point lead by Cebuanos. Jersey number 17, Pinkoy.
Back to the ball game.
Setting up the play. Bihag, 14 seconds to shoot. There's a foul, pushing foul. Jersey number 2, Castillo, first personal foul. 30 foul, 10 seconds to shoot. Good, nakuha na. Fast break. Dixon. Wala, follow up number 13, 2 points. Sige, sa dead ball. May isang tayo rep. Sa dead ball. Score natin 36-33. 5 minutes and 18 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot. Sige po. Sa dead ball. Number 17, wala. Rebound. Number 18, wala pa rin.
Number 02.
Sige.
Nice pass.
Sub na lang, hindi time out. Sub, okay. 4 minutes, 55 seconds.
10 seconds to shoot.
Dixon, dire-diretso.
Number 20, wala pa rin.
Number 2, 35, 36. Sige, nabigay na. Reserve na lang. 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Jersey number 18, double team. 12 seconds to shoot. Backcourt violation. Timeout!
Batur, wala.
Score natin 36-35. 4 minutes and
10 seconds to shoot. 2 points. 39-25.
Pag ano, salitan.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Ito na si number 20. There's a foul, jersey number 71.
Isa na lang ang laban, 36-35. Our next game, Saints versus
Ito na si number 14.
14 seconds to shoot. Dixon, 10, 8. Bounce, Castro, mid-range, no good.
Ito na si number 11.
Boss Bagay, 10 sila.
Buenos,
Nalaman ka namin ng 12.
Ponce, jersey
2
number 4.
points.
Maalat si Bonso.
41-25.
Dalawa. Si Kamay, maalat din.
Who's foul rep?
Buti na lang.
Number
Ito na si number
8.
17.
Nakatili ka na kaya pala. Ilan pa pala nyo?
Foul.
Isa, yun pa lang.
To number 24.
Warning
2
for
points.
penalty.
Naglagan yun.
27-41.
SBR ay third first 35. Ang Cebuanos ay warning for penalty.
Datoon, 2 points.
Okay, ready. Last throw by Ponce.
Kaya nga, may panalo na nga kami, kayo wala pa.
Foul, jersey number.
Kaya nga kung ano,
Time out!
Jersey number 13.
laban ulit.
Sergeant Pepper, foul number 5.
Warning for penalty. Cebuanos 30 foul.
Same kami ng record.
First personal foul, second team
Jersey
foul.
number 13. Bounce to Dixon. Tako na wala ang bola.
Isa na lang ang time out niyo, team Sergeant Pepper.
Isa pa yun. Pero kung manalo
Isang
kami,
time out na lang, boss.
Parang mga toy na ano. Unfortunately.
Oo, kung natalo sana kami kahapon, okay sana.
Back to the ball game na.
Castro, didiskarte.
Pre, isang time out na lang kayo.
Maglalaban yan.
Oo, pag nagawa man, salamat pa rin. Pero pag nanalo kami, kami papasok si top 4. Last game.
Score natin 38-35.
Nagsabi nga ako kay Boss Magul na kung first
Out of bounds na.
Puro kami first game ko eh. Oo, nagsabi ako kay Boss Magul kung pwede, first game naman tayo, sabi ko sa kanila eh. O sige, gawin natin, sabi naman.
Yep.
Foul, jersey number 24. Yes, sub tayo rep, sub. Sub, tawagan mo boss, susilong isasab mo.
Tayo ha. Cebuanos 30
Second personal foul. First team foul, Sergeant Pepper.
Hindi ba, kayo yung penalty. Sige.
Oo,
Kayo, baka...
mas maganda yung first game dito kanina.
Second try.
Sinalo pala kanina.
Sub tayo rep, sub.
Lamang ng 12 ang ano. Lamang ng 12 yung
Pasok.
Radicals kanina. Kaso, na puro turnover sila ng 2 minutes. Nangahabol ng Eagles ng ano at overtime.
Patay.
Nanalo pang Eagles. Oh, kasi penalty sila eh.
2 minutes 42 seconds. Jersey number 8, Dixon.
Number 14, wala.
Jersey number 18, 1 bounce. 13 rather. Bali,
To number 5. To number 17. 2
Jersey
points.
number 8, bounce to Ponce.
45, 27.
Sino?
Malapad lang yan.
3 points.
Number 14, lumipad. 2 points. 45, 29.
Biglang palamig yun ha.
Oo, biglang ano eh, napaaway si Coach G. Diyan kanina.
Bakit? 40. Bakit?
40.
Okay na, wala
First game kanina?
Yari ah.
Itong tunta?
Oo.
1 minute 55
Biglang
seconds.
napaaway si Coach G.
Bakit?
Jersey number 18,
Good.
Bacabando.
Number 71, 2 points.
To shoot. Release.
47, 21. 47, 29.
5 seconds. Score natin.
2 points.
35.
49, 29.
Ayaw mo ba lahat?
1 minute 20 seconds. Kick out Ponce. 14 seconds to shoot.
Wala. Tabi kayo.
Same ball tayo.
Jump ball tayo. Sub. Time out. Tikoy.
1 minute and 5 seconds. 9 seconds.
Kanina, biglang bumena.
Yung bola na.
5.
Tikoy ball.
53 seconds. Bacabando. Lumipad. And there's a foul. Gusto rep number 4, Ponce. That is warning for penalty. First personal foul. Warning for
Tito ball game.
2 shot. Bacabando. Jersey number 13. First draw. 24 times. 24 seconds. Wala nang shot clock pag tumawid. Last draw.
Number 6. To Gutierrez.
Bounce.
10 seconds to shoot.
24 seconds. Wala nang shot clock. Seconds lang yan. 18 seconds.
Fast break.
14.
To number 23.
Wow.
Foul counted. 31-49.
9.
Sino foul rep? Number 2.
5. Buzzer na lang maririnig.
13 fouls.
Penalty yan. Blocking foul. Who's foul rep?
Grabe si Lingwing,
8.
na naman.
Ibale. Second personal foul. Penalty.
Bonus throw is good. 32-49.
Wala ka na pagkain para sa akin, grabe naman kayo.
Hindi mo naman sinabi, dapat pinikita mo yung mga tira-tira ang gulay doon.
Sinabi ko na nga kay Boss Yorme.
Dapat napatigal ka kahit sa wala.
Buzzer na lang po yan.
Sabi nga ako,
Ito na si Halang. Halang.
Sa akin ang sinabi sa league.
Nice pass to the 2 points. Sab. Pasok.
Kuyan. 0.6. Penalty.
Kuya Choy, okay na? Kuya Choy, okay na? Pampas ulit. Ako rin naman.
Penalty. First draw. Pasok. Expected.
Number 03.
Dadaan lang po ah. Wala na pong oras. Relax na po tayo. Seconds na lang yun.
Nag-aaway pa din.
Nag-away na sila kanina. Munti ka na si kanina si Coach G.
Halang.
Yung isang Cebuano na malaki.
42-35. In favor of Cebuanos.
Nagkakabigayan sila kanina pa eh.
10 seconds to shoot. Tira na yan. Gutierrez. Walang tinamaan. Sab. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Stop clock na tayo. Medyo malas pa talaga.
5 minutes running time, 5 minutes stop
Eto
clock
na.
tayo. Semi-finals yan.
To number 28. Pass tayo.
Okay, sige.
Foul number 7.
Just a reminder, 5 minutes running time, 5 minutes.
Jay!
Ang ating stop clock. So mahaba ang ating fourth quarter. Bola ng Cebuanos. Yan.
Number 28. 2 points.
Okay, let's go. Fourth and last quarter. Labores to Ponce. Borotil. 14 seconds to shoot. Borotil.
15 seconds.
No good. Castillo on the rebound. Pass break to Dixon. Wala. Lumabas. Jersey number 4. Ponce. Setting
14 seconds to shoot.
Ponce.
10 seconds to shoot.
14 seconds to shoot. Borotil on the ball.
Wala eh.
10. Ibale. No good. Tapilan. Napunta kay
Oh.
Castillo.
Dito na siya, ayaw niya.
2 points.
Ayaw na niya.
Aaway sila.
There's a foul. 25 na ball.
Naglaro lang sila, diretso ng ano, force sa second quarter.
First personal foul, first
Force up lang siya naglaro.
14 seconds to shoot.
Daglagan yun eh.
10 seconds to shoot.
Okay, let's go.
Foul jersey number
Apat lang.
17. 14 seconds shot clock, 14 seconds to shoot.
15 seconds to shoot. Bakabado. Naagaw na. Naistilan. Ponce ngayon. Ponce on the go.
5 seconds.
Likod.
Jersey number. Ampon. Jersey number 18. Double team.
That's the end of our